how to delete your ChatGPT account and all associated data. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your ChatGPT account along with all the associated data. So let's get started. Open your browser and search OpenAI. Click on the very first link that you get, which is the official website of OpenAI. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Login. Then enter your email address and click on Continue. Now enter your password and again click on Continue. And once you have successfully logged in, you can see the Help option, which is almost at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Then click on the Message option. Now click on Send us a message. There you can see tons of options, and at last you can see Account Deletion. Go ahead and click on that. And then complete the in-screen instructions. Then your request will be submitted, and within 1 to 2 weeks your account will be deleted and you will be notified. Do keep one thing in mind, and that is once the request is submitted, it cannot be cancelled under any circumstances. So make sure you know what you're doing, and yeah, this is how you can delete your ChatGPT account and all its associated data. Thank you for watching.